Hi, this is Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. We're out here with another PVC idea on the farm. This is Barnickol
of Cedar Ranch Boar Goats.
Let's get started. All right, let's go over the assembly. We're gonna start off with 2 of the 5-ways, 3 of the snap clamps. You're gonna need 9 of the 45-degree angle elbow fittings. You're gonna need 9 of the slip T fittings there. You're gonna need 4 of the caps. Going over to the pipe, you're gonna need 1 section. This one here is 5 feet long. You could also do 6 feet long or whatever works best for your scenario. But we have a 5-foot section here. 1 of those. You're gonna need roughly, these are about 6 inches long. We had give or take on some of those that just worked a little better for our project. But 6 inches long, and then the middle sections are around 3 inches long. So 3 inches, 6 inches. You're gonna take your slip T, tie that in right there, your 45-degree elbow, like that, and your 6-inch section, and that's what builds your swivels here. All right, that's the assembly. Let's put it together. Okay, so we're assembled here. This is what the basics of what you can do. There's other options. You can take pipes. As you see here, we took just some random pieces we had, maybe your leftover pipe, or you could get long sections, stick them on this 5-way at the top. Another option we were talking about is you could take maybe a long piece of pipe, even one of your bottom sections here, and if you want to attach this to the wall, take this cap off and take a table cap, attach this to a wall, and then you could have your bucket tree be secured to a wall, be a little more secure. Then you could bring it out in the yard, dry off your buckets. Just another option, something to think about, using a table cap and an extension here.
I love this design for clean storage. You can put it up against a wall, you can hang it on a wall. When you're washing out buckets, you're trying to wash them out and you're ending up putting them in the mud. So we were looking for an idea to have them up off the ground so they can dry, they can drain out and not be in the mud and the dust when you're trying to clean them out. We were ending up having to put tarps down or mats down to keep the buckets out of the mud and out of the dust, to keep them clean after we washed them. So mosquito season is coming. You don't want buckets filled with water. So if you have dogs, cats, goats around, you don't want buckets holding water for that because it's just bacteria hanging around anyway. So this design is perfect for hanging buckets upside down to cut down on water storage. So here at Cedar Ranch, I run a CLCAE Yoni's tested negative herd, closed clean herd. We don't use any hormones. We have a lot of great genetics with a lot of ennoblements. We're going to be breeding here very soon. We'll have a lot of babies coming this fall. So some of my genetics are Stargate, Cat in the Hat, Double Dip, The Villain, Dappled Dottie, Stargate's Infinity. We got a lot of good ones. We'll have a lot of good genetics being bred here shortly. We raise ABJ registered stock. Customer service is always our #1. We work with people nationwide. We have shipped to 24 states already. We are happy to work with you with any kind of questions you may have, whether it's shipping, it's testing, whether it's genetic question. We have reds, we have spots, we have blacks, we have paints. We got any color you want. We pride ourselves with customer service and having quality stock. So we here at Cedar Ranch are very proud to be working with Circo Innovations on this design, the bucket tree, and we look forward into future designs to help us with our goat ranch as well.